On in a tragic development, a UP health official reportedly drowned in Ganga during his visit to Kanpur on Saturday. The victim has been identified as Aditya Vardhan Singh, who worked as a deputy director at the state health department. It is learned that the strong current swept him away while he was swimming in the river with his two friends. Divers from the Flood Provincial Armed Constable and the State Disaster Response Force were phoned in immediately for rescue. Now, despite their best efforts and a thorough search along the riverbank area, the state health official remains to be untraceable. Meanwhile, his family has alleged delay in the rescue operation after private divers demanded 10,000 rupees before helping them. Now, police, on the other hand, claim that the divers jumped in water immediately to save him, but might have demanded money for their boat. Listen in.
कल सुबह अपने दो साथियों के साथ आकर के स्नान कर रहे थे और कॉन्फिडेंस में जो हम लोगों ने एक लाइन खींच रखी है, रस्सी बंधी हुई है, उससे भी काफी आगे गए थे और अपने मित्र को बोले कि सेल्फी के लिए आओ, हम सूर्य को अर्घ देते हुए सूर्य भगवान को और इसी कॉन्फिडेंस में आगे और चले गए थे। और देख रहे हैं फ्लो की करंट काफी तेज है गंगा जी में और उसी में फंस गए और उसमें घटना हुई है। और पुलिस सर्च अभियान अपना जारी की है। आप देख रहे हैं STR की टीम लगी है। जब बाद में डेड बॉडी सर्च करने की बात आई है तो स्टीमर जो पुल मोटर बोट है इनके पास, वो तेल वगैरह के लिए जो भी खर्चा अपना मांगे हों, ये हो सकता है ये हो, तब हम सर्च करेंगे। लेकिन डूबते समय बात आई है तो उन्होंने तब छलांग लगा करके कोशिश किया है, लेकिन करंट बहुत तेज है।
Deputy Director in the Hill Department of Uttar Pradesh, and he was posted in Varanasi. He visited Kanpur with some of his colleagues and friends in the Nanumau Ghat, where he was taking a dip in the Ganga River in Kanpur. And the locals also warned him that the water pressure is very high and he should not go in water at that time. But he said that he knows how to swim. And just to take what the DCP claims that the Aditya Vardhan Singh was trying to take a selfie, and in that manner he crossed the danger mark, the ropes which has been placed by Kanpur police for the safety. He crossed that part and he got whisked away with the high flow of the water of the Ganga River. And the family has also alleged that the divers, when the family cried out for the help, the locals cried out for the help. The divers who were present at the spot at the Nanamo Ghat, they demanded around 10,000 rupees to be transferred to their account before they could jump in to save. But the DCP is to say that the divers jumped in immediately to save Aditya Vardhan Singh. They must have demanded the money for the motorboat that they were going to use for the rescue operation. In fact, the DCP also to say that the local police and the SDRF and the PSC unit has now been roped into the rescue operation of Aditya Vardhan Singh. The rescue operation still continues in Kanpur. They are trying to find Aditya Vardhan Singh, his whereabouts, his body. If he has drowned, then they are trying to look for a body.